Hi friends, this video shows how to insert and remove pet bottle from Sodamaker. So first I am going to show you how to insert this bottle. So first we need to press here, then take the bottle, then connect it like this, then rotate right. Okay, done. So after that we can close the cover. Done. So this way we can insert pet bottle into Sodamaker. So next I am going to show you how we can remove it. Again just press here. Okay, it's opened. Then we can remove the pet bottle, just rotate it left. Okay, done. So this way we can insert and remove pet bottle. So please check it.